So these tiles, see, this is the thing of dealing with messy, well, contractors who are not really good on what they do. Let me show you something. So you put all this here, right? You did a good job. What is this? Right? What is that? Like, come on, son. Come on. You know, this is all the type of messy stuff that we take a look at. All this stuff, cause you see this? Let me show you something. You see this? What is this? So we have to clean all this, right? We got to clean all this. This little stuff right here got to be cleaned out. You know, it's just messy. Like this. It's just messy. So that's why it costs. Because it takes time, right? Just think about it. You got this little stuff that a person can take off, but they didn't take off. And now you got to call a different person to come and clean it. It's, right? It's, oh boy. But this is some of the things that you have to look out for. Because, right, it is. So why we clean this and this doesn't look like it's being touched? That's crazy. This is new, and look. Oh boy, he put the fixture in. Like, come on, son. You know, like, this is just come on. You know, just pick the right contractors, and then your cleaning fee will be much cheaper, because all this thing takes a lot of time. You know, like little things like this. This all takes time. This is not just your regular cleaning stuff. This is just the extra stuff. So if it takes you one day to do the whole post-construction, you got to come in a day or two just to do the little things. And this is the things that I try to tell new contractors when you're dealing, new developers when you're dealing with contractors that are not up to par, right? So look, it's just so many things that if you have a good eye, or if you have a trained eye, you can see, you know? It's just, look like good work, but it's really not good work. Anyway, so that's what I'm trying to do right now, is taking this off, taking the pencil marks off. All right. So I'm taking all these pencil marks off, like pencil marks like that, right? Try to take that off. All right. So let's try, see if we can take this off, this right here. That comes off, this one. That one off too. This here. That one is also off. Yeah. So, all right, all this takes time. So I'm always gonna try to help you, save you some money, and you get a good savings when you got people that don't make excuses and they do what they are supposed to do. Right? Oh boy, it's crazy. It's crazy. Everywhere I look, I see marks. It's marks all over the place. Okay, so we got here. Let's see if we can take this one off too. Okay, need a little more. All right, so towel cleaner solution. Okay. Oh boy. Doesn't stop. Another one. Okay. Alright, so you gotta wipe it off. This is crazy. See? So we took it off, and now here we got. Oh, this is nothing. Up. What's that? Another one here. Oh boy. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. So she's got a little bit of yep. Oh boy, I just seen another one right there too. See? Don't stop. Where did I see it? Oh, there's this one here? Not this one here. This is all pencil marks. It's pencil marks. We shouldn't be on the tiles. Definitely shouldn't be on the tiles. So, all right. Okay.